had like a really fun day walking around, driving around, and stopped by Lou's again. And we're opening up a mystery box of CDs, and we're gonna go through them and just show you what we got today.
Lou's Records.
Yeah.
They're always giving them away like that. You're gonna get something good, you're gonna get something bad, you're gonna get something all around.
Yep.
You ready?
Okay. Yep.
But it's very hot. Super hot. Way too hot. But it's just how it is. It's California. Now you know what state we live in. There's a train. Say out to the train. It's a good train. Nitro. Yeah, this kid's got a lot of money. Almost 6K. Yeah. What?
Sure. Okay, so Red by Peppy Ginsburg. Girlfriend to the newbie.
Oh boy.
Jim Gibson. Gentleman Auction House. Gem. Oh look, we got a gem.
One from Sub Pop.
Gem. Is it from Sofa?
No, not that one. This one. Gardner.
Sue Gardner and Rick.
Oh my god, I've never heard of this band in my whole entire life, but this is Gardner, featuring Aaron Stauffer from Seaweed, and Van Conner from The Spring Trees.
Oh cool.
This is gonna be a good album.
Yeah, we'll listen to it now.
I don't need to be biased or anything, just I really like it. That's all.
Taking out your Sunny Day real estate.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're listening to Gardner, right?
Yep. Let me think what album.
Sorry. Yeah, easy.
God lives underwater. Somewhat slightly dazed.
Yep. 40-watt volt.
I've heard of that. I forgot what they sound.
Original Sinners.
We're the original sinners. Don't forget that. Gasoline Heart.
Ina Gordon.
J-Man.
J.H.
The Interpreters. It's not an attractive logo. Kind of reminds me of Microsoft Office or something.
Feeling. Mark Gardner.
This is a garden themed garden theme.
The game font, Fate Interloper.
Not really saying much.
The Gas Man.
Dario.
Can't do it at the same time.
Gas Man. Just like the one that's Gasoline Heart. Gasoline, fucking gangs, gardens. That's what this is all about.
So look at our stack of CDs. Babe.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put them in the box. But I'm gonna also talk about what else we bought from. So, have y'all ever seen this movie? It's good. Don't fight me on it.
Raising Arizona. Nicolas Cage.
Kill
who
Bill.
else? Yeah, Kill Bill.
Also, okay, so we got this
Tarantino
like
type shit.
really random record. It was
looked
really
cool.
It was really cheap and it looked cool, but then like we opened it up and it's like a catalog. It's kind of interesting. Like I've never seen a catalog in a record before. It has clothes in it. So honestly, I really don't know what it's gonna sound like or anything. But yeah, we'll check that out. I also got Shannon Leigh's new album, August, which is like a really good folk like sound. Yeah. Okay. We got Tom York's Anima, the limited orange vinyl edition.
So our day was... Oh, we're not even done with our day yet.
We also went to Lesh.
No, we went everywhere.
We went
to La Jolla. We saw some seals just like bouncing around on some rocks.
It was really fun.
We went down to a mall that was in La Jolla, or was that in La Jolla or
It was
somewhere
in
else?
La Jolla.
Yeah, we went to a mall.
we
Kind
got-
of a snobby place, so
Yeah,
mall in
but
La
we
Jolla.
got some nice stuff.
nice stuff, mean people.
Yeah, you know, Okay, but
Because you
look
need
at
to be
look
nice
at
when you
these.
have nice stuff.
Sorry,
It's all good.
I'm gonna put it back. But I just wanted to show it off.
It smells good. It smells like one of those
Smells
choppy
really good.
lollipops that you would get at a, when you're at the cash register in a fucking grocery store. I had a hard time coming out of my mouth.
Okay, so yeah, so that was our mystery box and final haul for the day. Hope you enjoyed it. Is there music too loud?
I hope the music isn't too loud. We just did that whole entire
We did
thing.
the